we would like to give a special thanks to Just Play for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Barbie Color and Style Deluxe Styling Head for ages 5 and up. Wow, there are so many different ones to choose from. Black hair with pink highlights, blonde hair with pink highlights, brown hair with honey highlights, brown hair with hot pink highlights, and black hair with blue highlights. Each deluxe styling head comes with 25 pieces, and stuff changes color. On the side of the box, you can get ideas on how to style her hair. On the back of the box, you can see the styling head and all items included. There's even a list on the side. Her nails can change colors. And you can borrow a couple of things from your deluxe styling head to create your own fabulous style. This should be fun. It looks like we get to color her hair to give Barbie a colorful look. Let's get this out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, they have a lot of accessories, and they're not all the same. Since she has on a pretty teal sparkly top, we're gonna name her Aqua, and hers is a glittery orange, so we're gonna name her Copper. Aqua comes with a blonde hair extension, a hairbrush, headband, hair gel, applicator, mixing bowl, mixing brush, a nail wheel, nail stickers, a ring with gems, hair ties, and barrettes. Copper has a lot of the same things. There are just a few minor differences. Her hair extension is curly and it matches her hair. She has a comb, headband, spray bottle, hair gel, mixing bowl, applicator, mixing brush, a nail wheel, nail stickers, a ring with gems, hair ties, and barrettes. They also come with instruction manuals, and Copper came with another page on how to style her hair. Since these two fabulous ladies have entered the Froggy Salon, I can't wait to try out the hair gel.
Caution, do not apply hair gel around eye areas or lips. Makeup is intended for children over the age of 5 with adult supervision. Keep out of reach of children under the age of 5. Makeup may stain fabrics, carpet, or porous surfaces. For external use only, cosmetics not for eating. Discontinue use if irritation occurs.
Always read the fine print. Now let's get started. Apply the hair gel to the tip of the brush, then apply to the hair. Am I doing this right? Maybe it has to dry and then the color will mesh well. Maybe I just gotta add more. I definitely see the blue. It just looks like blue gel though. We're gonna let that dry and come back to it later. So come over here, have a seat in the lobby. Next! Oh, I love this curly hair. It is so soft. In the box, she has all these little ponytails and a headband, so we just need to get rid of those. I gotta be very careful getting these rubber bands out of her hair because they just want to tangle up. And I don't want the hair to get all frizzy. Then we just have to remove the headband, and there we go. Look at that beautiful curly hair. Okay, so this is my first hairstyle. Little to no effort. Smile for the camera. Using the pick end of her comb, divide the hair down the center, carefully pulling the curls apart. You know what? I'm actually going to just use my hands. Find it a little easier and less damaging to the hair. Let's make a ponytail right here. Doesn't matter what color the hair tie is, because you're not going to see it anyway. I only pulled the hair part of the way through to make a bun. Repeat on the other side for another adorable look. Let's check in on Aqua, and that is still not dry. Maybe because I used so much product. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wash it out. While Aqua is getting her hair shampooed, let's try another hairstyle on Copper. Ooh, I like this one. For this hairstyle, we need to do some French braids on the side. This gives me a great opportunity to work on my technique. I get a small section of hair, then right at the front, I take a small piece, divide it into 3 parts. I try to keep them even. Then I braid them, picking up a little bit of hair as I go. That's kind of a braid, and then I can use a barrette to secure it. But seriously, that was a lot of work. Yeah, I'm just gonna do twist. So I take the hair and twist it. Yeah, way faster. There we go. New look in a fraction of the time. Now that Aqua has been shampooed and dried, we can brush her hair, use the flat iron. However, this is just for fun. And let's give her a new hairstyle. Maybe half up, half down. Leave out a little in the front, then take a small amount of hair from behind her ponytail, wrap it around the hairband, then tuck it into the hairband in the back to cover the hairband. This is a very cute look on you, Aqua. Now for those nails, using cold water and an applicator, and the water needs to be icy cold. I even put a little piece of ice in it. Now let's see what happens. Do you see a change? Let's try warm water. Oh yeah, I definitely saw a change that time. So here's the cold. It turns it into a dark pink. Then here is the warm water. And it turns it into a light pink. We can skip the water and go right to stickers. Add the stickers to the nail wheel for an instant manicure. What do you think, Aqua? It's great! Overall, I really like the diversity, how there are so many different dolls to choose from, with different skin tones and hair textures. And these styling heads can really come in handy. I taught little Froggy how to do her own twist using one. And to be honest, I could use a little more practice on my French braids. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at these Barbie Deluxe styling heads. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.